Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 26th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered the basic logical DAX functions, and now we will study some math and trig functions. So these functions are very similar like in Excel. So go to the DAX reference page, and here is a category guys of math and trig function. So we have a list of various math and trig function. So let's talk about this ABS DAX function, which means is absolute. So go to our Power BI desktop page, and I have created one more table here guys, which name is table. So go to our data set first, and we guys can see here I have created only one column which name is values, and you guys can see here are few values are negative like -10, -16, -18. So our requirement is I want to convert all negative value into positive integer. So I will use ABS DAX function here. So let me click on to the new column, and my column name is positive. And now I will put equal to sign, and now I will write my DAX function, which is ABS. In ABS DAX function, here is only one parameter, which is number. So here is only one column, so I will select the column name here guys, which is value, and close the bracket. So we have got a new column with all positive value. That means absolute function convert all negative values into positive integers. And now we will study one more DAX function, which is convert. So go to our Power BI desktop, and this convert function basically used for convert the data type. So I will show you how do we need to apply this DAX function. So firstly, I go to the transformation tab. And you guys can see here data type is decimal number, which is 1.2. Now my requirement is I want to change this data type into string. So what I'll do, I go to my table data set, and here I will apply the convert DAX function. So let me take this new column from here, and my column name is, let's say, convert. And now I will write my DAX function, which is convert. So we have two parameters guys, which is expression and data type. So our expression is column name, which is positive. So I'll write here positive. Now put it comma. So now you guys can see it will displaying all the data type like string, integer, double, date time, currency, boolean. So my requirement is to convert this numerical value into text. That means our data type is string. So I will select string from here and close the bracket. So now this value is displaying as a string, not as a integer. So in this way, we guys can also change our data type of any column. Now go to the reference page, and we will study one more DAX function, which is currency. So again, go to the Power BI desktop, and this DAX is basically used for currency conversion. So I will add new column from here, and I will write my column header name, which is currency, and put it equal to sign, and now I'll write my DAX function, which is currency. And in currency DAX function, we have only one parameter, which is value. So I will add this column name, which is positive, and press enter. So here guys, we can see currency is added with all values. So I hope guys you have cleared with all the DAX functions which we have studied so far. So stay tuned with us, and we will cover up some more other DAX function in our upcoming videos. So please subscribe this channel and kindly share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. Thank you so much, guys.